Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to renew your Abu Dhabi driving license online using your mobile phone. Let's get started. First, you need to complete an eye test at an approved center. Two popular options are Al Jaber Optical and TAMM Optician, which have branches all over the UAE. After your test, the results will be uploaded to the traffic website. You'll receive an SMS confirming the test within 1 day. Next, download the TAMM app from the Play Store or Apple App Store. You can also use the TAMM, Abu Dhabi Government Services website. The links are in the description below. Now, I'll show you how to renew your license using the TAMM app on a mobile phone. Install the TAMM app from the Play Store. Open the app and sign in using the UAE Pass app by clicking the Use UAE Pass button. If you don't have the UAE Pass app, check out the video in the description for a setup guide. After signing in, scroll down to the My Documents section and find Driving License. Click on it to view all details and actions related to your license, including a preview. At the top, you'll see a message like, "Your document driving license will expire in specific days," and a Renew button. Select a photo for your license card. You can upload a new picture from your device or use your existing photo listed. Press Next after selecting your photo. Then, choose the region, Emirate for delivery, and provide your address and contact number. Press Next again. Select your preferred delivery service from the listed options and review the details. Click Proceed to payment. Choose your payment method and complete the payment. You're done. You can now view your renewed driving license in the Driving License section or download a soft copy. Within 1 to 2 days, you'll receive a courier communication to schedule delivery. Your renewed physical copy will arrive soon after. That's how you renew your UAE driving license online using your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.